Hello children, welcome to the YouTube channel DEO Nalgonda. Today we shall discuss about the 5th chapter in General Science of 7th class English medium. The name of the 5th unit is Heat Measurement. Children, in your previous classes you have learned that there are different seasons in an year. They are summer season, winter season and rainy season. In these three seasons the temperatures are not the same. In winter season it is very cold, in summer season it is very hot. So we wear different types of clothes according to the season. You know very well that in summer season we wear cotton cloths to keep ourselves cool. In winter season we wear woolen cloths to keep ourselves warm. So different seasons have different climatic conditions and we wear different types of clothes in different seasons. Similarly, children, we see many objects around us in our surroundings and these objects have different temperatures. Some objects are colder, some objects are hotter. Can you give me some examples of objects or things which are hotter? Yes, tea is drunk hotter. It is a hot drink. But cool drink is a cool drink. It is colder. The name itself indicates. Cool drinks are served, they are drunk colder. So many objects in our surroundings are hotter or else colder. Okay. Then how do you decide whether an object is colder or hotter? How can you say that an object is hot, or how can you say an object is cold? Yes, this is a simple question. You can give the answer to it very well. By simply touching an object, you can say an object is hotter or colder. But is it the reliable way? Can you always rely on this method of touch? You cannot exactly say how hot an object is. You cannot exactly say how cold an object is by simply touching it. So sense of touch is not a reliable method to estimate the hotness or coldness of an object. To understand that, there is a simple experiment. In this experiment we have to take 3 vessels or 3 beakers, and these 3 beakers are to be filled with water having different temperatures. In beaker, for our convenience, I am giving the names to the vessels: vessel A, vessel B, vessel C. In vessel A, let us take hot water. The temperature of the hot water is, let us assume, it is 50 degrees. And in vessel C, let us take cold water. The temperature of the cold water is, let us assume, to be 20 degrees centigrade. Right. So you are asked to put your right finger in the vessel A containing hot water, and you are asked to put your left hand finger in the vessel C containing cold water. Keep your fingers for 2 minutes, you can easily perceive the degree of hotness and coldness of water in these two vessels. You can say, you can easily say the vessel A contains hot water, the vessel C contains cold water, no problem. After 2 minutes, take out your fingers and put your fingers in vessel B containing lukewarm water. So, generally the temperature of the lukewarm water is around 37 degrees centigrade. If you put your fingers in the vessel containing lukewarm water, you experience a strange feeling. The finger which you felt hot earlier is now feeling colder, and the finger which you felt colder in the previous experiment is now feeling hotter. So, the same fingers are giving us different information. So, the sense of touch is not a reliable method to identify the hotness or coldness of a body. So, we somehow can estimate an object to be cold or hot by simply touching it, but it is not a reliable method. It is not always a reliable method. It may give us a false inference or false information. So, this is not the right way to estimate the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Now, I have used the word temperature several times. So, can anybody tell me what the temperature is? Do you have any idea about it? Yes. So, I define temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of an object, or I can say the degree of hotness or coldness of an object is called its temperature. Degree of hotness, degree of coldness of an object, that is the definition of the term temperature. Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. Then have you heard about heat? Have you heard the word heat? What is heat? Yes, heat is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy. The name of the 5th unit in 7th General Science textbook is heat measurement. Then what is heat? Heat is a form of energy. It can make an object hot. It can make an object hot. It is a form of energy. Energy can exist in different forms. Heat is one of the forms of energies. Yes. Then how can we say that heat is a form of energy? For that, we can do a simple experiment. Take a vessel, fill half of the vessel with water and keep this vessel on a stove and ignite the stove and cover the utensil or vessel with a lid, cover it with a lid and continue to heat the water. After some time, the water starts boiling. As soon as the water starts boiling, it tries to move the lid, and if you still continue to heat the vessel, it pushes away the lid falls off. How did the lid fall off? It is simply because of the heat energy. The water heated has converted into water vapor, and this water vapor has the heat energy, and this heat energy has pushed off the lid. So, by this we can say that heat is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy. Yes. Then can the heat be transferred? Yes, heat can be transferred from an object of higher temperature to an object of lower temperature when the two objects are in contact, and this process is called transfer of heat. Okay. When an object of higher temperature comes in contact to an object of lower temperature, then the heat transfer takes place till the temperature of the two objects is same, till the temperature of two objects attains the same temperature. For example, I am taking two objects, and this object is hotter object and this is cold one. When you make these objects come in contact with each other, simply the heat energy from the hot object gets transferred to the object having low temperature, that is the object which is colder. For how much time does it happen? It happens till both the temperature of the objects become equal. This is called a transfer of heat. Heat can be transferred. Then so I would like to give you the definition of heat, the term heat. Heat is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy. It can make, it means heat can make an object hot. That is a simple definition of heat. You can learn this. Heat is a form of energy. Heat can make an object hot. Then what about the term temperature? Yes, temperature is a degree of hotness or coldness of an object. The degree of hotness or coldness of an object is called its temperature. So, most of us think that heat and temperature are same, but it is not the case. Heat is a form of energy, temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. Temperature is simply the measurement of heat. Okay, children. So, in your textbook at page number 45, some diagrams are given. You can refer your textbook and observe these diagrams. These diagrams show us three objects. First one is electric water heater, and second one is gas stove. Okay, so what does the electric water heater do? The electric water heater converts the electric energy into heat energy. Then the chemical energy present in the cooking gas can be converted into heat energy. So, one form of energy is converted into another form. This is called conversion of energy or energy conversion. So, energy exists in different forms. So, one form of energy can be converted into another form of energy. This is called a law of conversion of energy. Chemical energy can be converted into heat energy. Heat energy can also be converted into electric energy, can be converted into heat energy. Okay. In thermal power stations, the chemical present in the coal is released and converted into heat energy. The heat energy is used to convert water into water vapor, and this water vapor converts the heat energy into electric energy. So, in thermal power stations, heat energy is converted into electricity. In solar water heaters, the solar energy, that is the energy present in the sunlight, is converted into heat energy. So, energy can be converted from one form into another form. This is called conversion of energy. So, our next topic is heat and temperature. I previously told you that heat is the form of energy. It can make an object hot. Heat is a form of energy which makes an object hot, and temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. We most of the time get confused and think that heat and temperature are the same quantities. They are not the same, they are different. Heat is a form of energy, temperature is a measurement of heat. That is the main difference between the two physical quantities. So far, children, I hope you have understood the topics which we have discussed in this class. Children, we shall continue our lesson in the next class. Till then, go through your textbook and get your doubts, if any, clarified by your teacher. Thank you very much.